No! Don't look at me! Look away! Look away! My hair ain't dead! Don't look at me! Yo, let me show. Look at this, man. I got Gorilla Glue on deck. Heavy. I got the Gorilla Glue on deck heavy. Look. Let me tell you. Look. Listen. Gorilla Glue on deck. I'm about to put my man's wig back on. I'm about to put his wig back, put his weave back on tight with the Gorilla Glue. Alright? Dreams can come true, okay? All hair attached with Gorilla Glue does not have to go wrong. In some cases, we can make this a success. In some cases, we can make the Gorilla Glue hair attachment scenario a success. We can do it. Go with the Gorilla. So before I start with each piece, I want to make sure that I've got everything that I need to repair everything. All right, so I got Legolas here. He came with 3 arrows. Got his hair. I got my Gorilla Glue sticks. Got my Gorilla Glue sticks. When you're gluing with Gorilla, you're gluing with the best. Right, so I got my glue gun loaded up. I want to make sure the glue is hot. So I'm just gonna put a little bit on this piece of wood here. Let me see if it actually makes anything stand up. Let that sit there for a second. It glues, it holds, it's good. It's good. All right, so we're gonna look at Legolas here. Got this little rectangular slot in his back of his head. I have his weave. I got the weave right here. Let's see his little rectangular indentation or outdentation. And that's gonna slide right, that's gonna connect right inside that rectangular slot in the back of his head, just like a Lego block. So I'm gonna go ahead and take my Gorilla Glue. I think this time, this is wood glue, but in this case, it's wood glue, but in this case, I'm gonna spread a little bit around. There was nothing fancy here. I literally picked up a little piece of twig off the ground. And I'm gonna use that. I'm gonna dab it inside that rectangular slot in the back of his head to connect his hair. This is wood glue, but in this case I'm using it for a little dot on his neck. Grab the hair, quickly line it up with that slot, press down in there, press it tight, and turn it around. Alright, Legolas looks pretty good. You got a little bit of glue right there sticking out. I'm just gonna press that